Ever wonder why goosebumps exist? In this video, I will tell you about the weird animal instincts humans still have. The caveman jump scare. Ever flinch so hard at a popping balloon that you nearly launched your coffee into orbit? Congrats, you just activated the startle reflex. It's your brain's built-in Control-Alt-Delete for surprise attacks. Your heart spikes, your muscles tense, your eyes go wide like you've just seen your ex at a job interview. Originally, this was your body's way of dodging snakes, falling coconuts, or saber-toothed sneak attacks. Today, it's just a full-body freakout during office birthday parties with confetti cannons and too much sheet cake. If you think that reaction is embarrassing, wait until you hear why your skin tries to look like a scared cat. Goosebumps, your invisible fur coat. Humans ditched most of their body fur ages ago, but your skin didn't get the memo. You still have these tiny muscles called erector pili, and they're wired straight to your fear center. When you're cold, they try to trap heat by puffing up fur that isn't there. When you're scared, they make you look bigger, like a cat fluffing up before a fight. Great survival strategy if you still had fur. Today, it just gives you goosebumps, or as we call it now, a chicken skin selfie. Speaking of fear, why does your brain shove you into fight, flight, or freeze over a Slack notification? Let's dive. The acute stress response. It's straight up animal coding, prehistoric software still running in your nervous system. Adrenaline floods your system. Digestion hits pause. Your pupils dilate like you're about to sprint from a lion. Super helpful when you're outrunning predators, totally unhelpful during Zoom presentations. Fun fact, about 10 to 20% of people don't fight or flee, they freeze. It's called tonic immobility. That's why your brain sometimes goes blank during exams, speeches, or dates. The forage and feast instinct. Why can you absolutely annihilate a large pepperoni pizza at midnight even if you swore you were full an hour ago? Simple. Your brain still runs on hunter-gatherer logic. Back then, food was unpredictable, so when it showed up, you ate everything. Your brain still dumps dopamine when it sees fat and sugar together. Today, DoorDash triggers the same reward system your ancestors felt when they stumbled on a fig tree before the birds got to it. Territorial programming. Ever feel irrationally furious when someone takes your parking spot or sits in your seat in class? That's not overreacting, it's your territorial instinct kicking in. That space feels like an extension of you, thanks to the same limbic brain wiring cats use when they pee on fence posts. You mark with backpacks, jackets, coffee mugs, basically saying, "Seat's taken, don't make me growl." From territory to tribe, let's talk herd mentality. Why do we clap when everyone else does, even though the show was meh? The herd and hype instinct. Back in the day, being the odd one out didn't just make things awkward, it made you saber-toothed tiger lunch. So humans learned to blend in, hard. Mirror neurons plus dopamine equals social copy-paste mode. That's why laughter is contagious, and why you bought that weird kitchen gadget you've used exactly once. We crave the feeling of belonging, even if it means clapping for a show we didn't enjoy, or pretending to love small talk. Nesting and hoarding. Ever find yourself rearranging your entire living room at 2 a.m., or feel an urgent need to stockpile 47 rolls of toilet paper for no reason? That's your brain's nesting and hoarding instinct doing its thing. Nesting is your ancient drive to create a safe, cozy space, originally for offspring, today maybe for your PS5. Hoarding helped protect against famine. Now it just means your pantry looks like a backup warehouse for Costco. All these quirky instincts once kept your ancestors alive, but today they sometimes clash with Wi-Fi, food delivery, and open-plan offices. The good news is, if you understand them, you can hack them, instead of letting them hack you. So, if your inner animal still calls the shots, what other ancient programs are running in stealth mode? Like, why can't you resist rubbernecking a car crash? Why do you dream of falling? Why do you feel a phantom vibration in your pocket when there's no phone at all? We'll unpack those spooky brain quirks in an upcoming episode. But first, give that curiosity some exercise. Click the video on screen now. What happens if you never blink again? It's the perfect sequel. More survival coding, same creepy fun vibes. Hit it before your next instinct kicks in, like hunting for snacks. See you there.